Perhaps you police didn't watch it till yesterday. What do you think about that? Well, it gets like the old storm in our old clock. Is Rex not happy with me? He'll be alright. Just stay out of his way today. Okay, now the gate's open. Okay, Rex boy, let's come by. I get your sheeps. Over here. Well, I guess I never heard the sheep before. What are they doing out here? Okay, now it's my turn. Get to the gate! Oh, dear. That'll do. You're so quick. I never liked to fly. You can. Pigs are built to fly, dear. This breed isn't thing. They just had to. One just had to know who's boss is. Okay, time for my sheep cut. Okay, come on, put you up. Okay, let me just put those sheep cuts into the crate. It will be good.